Hey guys, do you know what's wrong with my car?
What's up guys, and welcome back to the BMW channel. We're taking my cheap BMW and we're making a supercar exterior conversion. Today we're doing the Walmart supercar conversion. We have this massive BMW OEM Angel Eye. This shit's about to be a fucking movie. We got nails. We got a pressure cooker. This shit's about to be a fucking movie. I got something new for you guys. We have the 3 single stage manifold conversion. See, we got three single manifold thing. Oh yeah, you can just throw this shit to the side. Yeah, don't worry about that.
Just running like a champ.
Oh yeah. Let me make sure it's not leaking coolant. Yo, it's a little hot in here.
That's fine. We can just turn on the AC.
Turn that down. It's hot, man. But yeah, she still goes. She still goes. I had it going good, so don't worry. This is just, yeah, see, I lost fuel. We're good, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, see, she's running fine.
Yeah. So any of you fellow guys in New York, let me tell you a little bit of a secret. If your car can't pass inspection, I couldn't re-register this because New York knew that I didn't have an inspection. All you have to do is turn in your plates and then register it again. Then you're good. Is this thing safe? Can it pass inspection? No. It will never pass inspection ever again. Ever again. Don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Don't get off my f***ing back. Wheel speed sensors don't work because I've realized I can start it while it's running because it's been cutting off fuel. So, but it's convenient though because I can restart it now while the wheels are turning. That's luxury. You hear the cam in that bitch? But anyways. Shit. Yeah, we're here at the Supercar store. We're probably gonna park in the back because you know, I don't want someone backing into it, pushing a cart into it. I don't want it to get too much attention. That's the luxury life.
You gotta be careful when it comes to these
you gotta
BMWs. What a wonderful place Walmart is.
Oh, we lost throttle. Oh, there's a good spot right here.
Yeah, park right there.
God damn it. 3-point.
Whatever you do, don't hit the pole. And watch out for that pole.
Dude, I'm not paying you to be a backseat driver.
You don't have back seats. Oh. Oh.
Dude, why didn't you tell me? Over in the electronics section, they got all sorts of different Angel Eyes to choose from. But for $14, you got an RGB Angel Eye setup. You just need 2 of them. It's gonna look fucking epic. It's gonna look like a supercar makeover. Alright, so we got the 2 matching RGB Angel Eye lights. But now I'll show you how to install them. So I'll hit the car. That wasn't there before. Do you think that'll buff out? You think this place has cameras? You can't go anywhere. I was able to get some of it. Crazy place, man. You gotta have dash cams. Okay, so the Supercar Angel Eye headlight conversion. Step 1, RGB Angel Eye. Step 2, USB power splitter. Step 3, RGB Angel Eye. Step 4, zip tie. 5, run the power from through the ECU into the car. Step 6, Angel Eye RGB. It'll be like feel like that kind of, yeah. Get my OEM hood prop here. Yeah, you're gonna take these and they just have to get up to there. Here's the zip tie.
Perfect.
The second one. Now that looks epic. So you take the one that I ran through the firewall in the ECU box, plug that in, tuck the wires, do some cable management, plug them in, and the rest is Supercar history. Preferably into the ocean. Looks pretty.
Looks pretty OEM to me.
We had a spectator. The cops are called. The cops are on the way. Cops are on the way. We gotta go. We gotta go right now. We gotta go. We gotta go. Hey, hello? What's up?
What the f are you?
Oh, I'm on the way. I'm really hurrying up. Do you hear that? Okay, I'm actually.
I don't think you can consider being 2 hours late hurrying up.
It'll be alright. It'll be alright.
You have to be made over to.
We're breaking necks hard as fuck right now. If you see this in your rear view, you're getting the fuck out of the way. I don't blame you. Flat tire, it almost feels like it.
It sounds like it. It doesn't feel like it. It sounds like it. It's on this side.
Yeah. God, you can't even do one fucking burnout. It's alright. It's alright.
It'll be fine.
This Charger in front of me, he sees me in his rear view, and the trepidation is palpable.
He's trembling in fear.
He is trembling.
He doesn't even know what to do. Look at him drive off so slow. He doesn't want to challenge you.
So much for a Challenger. Oh wait, it's a Charger.